Hey everyone, welcome to this demo video for the Zama bounty track hackathon. In this video, I will be showing what I have built with respect to the challenge for the bounty track. And so basically this is the UI for what I built. And first thing I do is I connect my account. And once I connect my account, you see this disconnect button. But for the sake of time, I won't do all of those demo. So the first thing I want to show here is we have the registered pairs, which registered pair, which is displayed based on the registry, the contract registry pairs that I have that I got from the Zama SDK basically. So the first thing to note here is that if I click on the wrap for faucet button, I see this UI because it automatically changes to this, and so I can claim the USDC faucet, which I've already done. As you can see, for the USDC I have 0.33. I've done a bit of wrap and unwrap to be able to get to this point, and then I did the same thing for USDT, but I'm just going to be showing you with one of the token for the sake of the limited time for this demo video. So the first thing I want to demo here is the decrypt functionality. So if you look at this contract address here, you see 0.7C5B. So I've already copied it here. So if I decrypt the balance, you see the balance is 67, right? If I've not formatted this properly, but if you do, you see that it's similar to 0.67 here. So this is the decrypted balance for the DApp here. So another thing I want to show here is if I scroll down a bit, it's because I zoom in my screen, that's why this is cut off. But if I didn't, then it won't be cut off like this. So if I want to wrap this just to demonstrate, or unwrap even basically, what I need to do here is, let me start by doing the wrapping. I'll just do 0.1 and then I will approve this function. So that means this will change from 0.1 to 0.23, like 0.33 to 0.23. So if I sign this transaction here, I click on sign and confirm, the transaction is created. It's automatically going to change to approval confirmed here. So if I sign this transaction again, then you see it starts the wrapping token process. So what this means is once this automatically is successful, it's going to change from 0.33 to 0.23 USDC, and this will automatically become 0.77 because it's going to be the confidential balance. So if I sign this transaction, the last one is going to create this, then it's going to wrap and then complete this transaction. So once this is complete, the balances will automatically change. As you can see, wrap complete 0.23 and this becomes 0.77. It will change in like few seconds, so let's just give it time. 0.77, and once it changes here, it also changes here, and it also changes here. So that means the balance automatically gets updated. So the same thing applies for all the other coins I have here, all the other tokens here rather. We have the USDT, we have the USDC, everything applies. So this is just a way of demonstrating what happens when you wrap and you unwrap. And if you check the decrypt the balance also, which is what we see here, you can see it is 0.77 again as expected. So this is just a demonstration of what we have here. I can also unwrap this to 0.4 just to get an amount back, and if I submit the unwrap also, same thing is going to happen here. Let me see if I can implement this demo this before the time elapses. So this is going to change back from 0.77 to 0.37. This will now change back to 0.63. So that is what is expected. So if I sign the last transaction, which is the decryption proof, as you can see here, it's going to automatically tell me it is complete also. And let's wait for that. Waiting. Wrap complete. And as you can see, this changes from 0.23 as it was before to 0.63, and this changes back to 0.37, which happens here automatically and also happens here automatically. So this is basically the wrap and unwrap functionalities, and every other thing that was expected from the challenge in the bounty track is also applied here. So I hope this clarifies what I've built. The UI can be improved. It will definitely be improved, but I just wanted to get the functionality working, which I have. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.